Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 11th mathematics chapter 5 complex number and quadratic equation, we are going to solve the exercise 5.2. Students, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay students, so in very first question, we have to find the modulus and arguments of following complex number, right? What we have to do to find the modulus and arguments of complex numbers. Now considering in very first question, the complex number is z is equal to minus iota root 3, right? So first of all student, here it is been given that z is equal to minus 1 minus iota root 3. So comparing this by polar form of complex number, z is equal to r in the bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. So by comparing, we are getting r cos theta is equal to minus 1 and r sin theta is equal to minus root 3. So now squaring and adding these two terms, which are r cos theta minus 1 and r sin theta is equal to minus root 3. So what we are getting, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta is equal to what? Minus 1 square plus root 3 minus root 3 whole square. So here r will be common and cos square theta plus sin square theta will be what? 1. R square will be common over here. So r square will be common. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 plus 3. So r square is equal to what? 2. Because here we are taking the modulus, and the modulus of any integer gives positive integer, right? So modulus means is what? 2. So putting the value of r over here, so we are getting cos theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and sin theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Here we can see that cos theta means x coordinate is positive and sin negative, and sin theta is also negative, means x and y both the coordinates are negative. So these terms means theta lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant, because in third quadrant all the points will be negative. So sin theta and cos theta both are negative. So the argument will lies in third quadrant, right student? In third quadrant we have to find out the arguments. So in third argument will be theta is equal to minus pi plus pi by 3. So what we are getting? Minus 2 pi by 3. It means third quadrant cos minus 2 pi by 3 will be what? Minus 1 by 2, and sin minus 2 pi by 3 will be what? Minus root 3 by 2, right student? Is it clear how to find out arguments of complex number? Now similar questions, we are moving to the next. Z is equal to minus root 3 plus iota. Here it is been given that z is equal to minus root 3 plus iota. Again comparing with polar form of complex number, comparing with z is equal to r in the bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. So the value of r cos theta will be minus root 3 and the value of r sin theta will be what? 1, because multiple of iota is 1. So again squaring and adding both these equation, squaring and adding these two result, what we are getting? R square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, right? Minus root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square. R square will be common, so cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is what? 1. So here will be 3 plus 1. So r square will be what? 4, so r will be again 2 because we are taking the modulus of complex number. So modulus of complex number is always positive. Okay student, now to find, we are putting the value of r in the given result, 2 cos theta minus root 3 and 2 sin theta 1. So cos theta will be what? Minus root 3 by 2, and sin theta is what? 1 by 2. Here cos theta is compared with x component of Cartesian plane, and sin theta is can be compared with y coordinate of Cartesian plane. Here sin theta is positive and cos theta is negative, means x is negative and sin is positive. So it is lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Okay student, so in second quadrant, argument, the format of argument pi minus the pi by 6, because cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2 and sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2, right students? So argument will be 5 pi by 6. So argument of z is equal to theta, and this is 5 pi by 6. Okay student, now moving to the next question. The question is, convert the following complex number in the polar form. In which form? Polar form. Here in the complex number is 1 minus iota, right? So here it is in z is equal to what? 1 minus iota. Now comparing with r, cos theta plus iota sin theta. So what we are getting? R cos theta is equal to 1 and r sin theta is minus 1. Now squaring and adding these two result, squaring and adding, right? So we are getting r square cos square theta plus sin square theta, and here is 1 square minus 1 square plus minus 1 square. So r square is what? 2. So r is modulus r, means modulus of z. So z is what? Root 2, because for modulus value we are considering positive integer. So putting over here in the result, root 2 cos theta is equal to 1 and root 2 sin theta is equal to minus 1. So cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2 and sin theta is equal to minus 1 upon root 2. Here you can see that cos is positive and sin is negative. Sin is negative and cos is positive, right? Sin is negative and cos is positive, means theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Okay, cos is positive, means x-axis is positive, and sin means y-axis is negative. So theta will be what? Minus pi by 4, and it is lies in fourth quadrant. So hence polar form will be what? Z is equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta. The value of r is root 2 and theta is minus pi by 4 plus iota sin minus pi by 4, right? Understood students? You will have to just focus on argument of complex number. Now moving to the next question. This is similar question, minus 3. So here it is been given that z is equal to minus 3. So it can be written as minus 3 plus 0 iota. Now comparing with z is equal to r in the bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. So we are getting r cos theta is equal to minus 3 and r sin theta is equal to what? 0. So squaring and adding both these result, squaring and adding these two result, we are getting r square cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to minus 3 whole square plus 0 square. So r square is equal to 9. So r is what? Modulus z, and modulus z is what? 3. Right? So putting the value of r over in the given result, r cos theta is equal to minus 3, and r sin theta is equal to what? 0. So cos theta is equal to, we are getting minus 1, and sin theta we are getting 0. So at which angle cos theta is minus 1 and which angle sin theta is 0? So we will find the quadrant. So sin theta is positive and cos theta is negative. Cos theta means x coordinate and sin theta means y coordinate. So x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. In which quadrant? Second quadrant. So theta belongs in second quadrant. In second quadrant, the argument pi minus alpha means theta is equal to what? Pi. So the polar form will be what? Z is r cos theta plus I sin theta. So z is equal to r is 3 and cos pi plus iota sin pi. Okay, understood? Now students, moving to the next question. Iota. Here it is been given that z is equal to iota. So iota can be written as 0 plus iota. Now comparing with polar form of complex number, comparing with z is equal to r in the bracket cos theta plus iota sin theta. So we are getting r cos theta is equal to what? 0, and r sin theta is equal to what? 1. So squaring and adding these two result, squaring and adding, r cos theta is equal to 0 and r sin theta is equal to 1. So we are getting r square in the bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 0 square plus 1 square. So r square is equal to 1. So r will be what? Modulus z, and this is what? 1. Now putting the value of r in the given result. So 1 cos theta is equal to 0 and 1 sin theta is equal to 1. So we are getting cos theta is equal to 0 and sin theta is equal to 1. Right? So in which quadrant cos is positive and sin is positive? In first quadrant. Right? So both are positive over here. Right? As per the angle. Right? So in first quadrant, the argument of complex number can be written as pi by 2. Right? So the polar form of z is r cos theta plus I sin theta. So z is what? R is 1 and cos is pi by 2 plus iota sin pi by 2. Okay students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you once again for watching this video till